I'm Scott Margolin, Vice President of Technical here at Tyndale, and welcome to our new series, The Spin Cycle. Now, in this series, we're going to expose sales tactics commonly used by rental uniform companies in the United States to convince you that home laundering is unsafe and that professional laundering of arc-rated and flame-resistant apparel is, in fact, required or highly advisable. This is simply not accurate. You may not have been aware of the fact that the vast majority of arc-rated and flame-resistant garments globally are home laundered and always have been. Tyndale is not the first company to address this. A few years ago, Hugh Hoagland did some excellent research, which was subsequently published by IEEE, in which he took fabric samples and exposed them to the various laundering issues and then put them in the vertical flame chamber. But what Hugh did was on the fabric level. What we decided to do was replicate Hugh's work exactly, except on full-scale garments in arc flash. Some of the common sales tactics that we're going to focus on are liquid chlorine bleach, oxidative bleach, flame-resistant durability, flammable lint, and fabric softener. So please stay tuned for each video. Thank you.